You ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Like you're spinning your wheels?
Stuck in
just a case of the Mondays, just spinning your wheels.
Like you're stuck and just can't get out?
Yeah, right. All right, see you later.
Then it sounds like what you need is a good hard yank from a friend to get you out of a sticky situation.
Hey, phrasing!
That's right. In this episode, we're going to cover the next essential tool on our list, the recovery strap. Wait, this one's frayed. I need a new one. Recovery strap. The recovery strap is one of the most essential tools for when you get stuck, or in our case, when our friends get stuck.
You want a yank?
If you don't mind.
Or we see a fellow adventurer off-road.
Good.
In a mud hole or stuck in a rut. This can help set them free. And as Ted Nugent once said, stay strapped. Hold on, someone's calling. Oh, it's my lawyer. Hello? Yeah. Oh, I can't direct quote Ted Nugent if he didn't actually say that? Okay, all right, I'll get the disclaimer. Disclaimer time. This is not professional advice, and I don't know what vehicle you drive or the vehicle towing you out. I also don't know the level of your stuck. Consult your vehicle's manual and the manual for your recovery gear. Always be safe when using recovery gear and use common sense. All right, bye. And as I was saying, we keep that thing on us.
First trip out without a strap and you get stuck.
Yeah, we left our strap at home one
Every time.
Yeah.
The general consensus is that you want to have a tow strap that's rated for 4 to 5 times your vehicle's weight. So if you drive a 4Runner, Bronco, or Jeep, that's between 25 and 30,000 pounds. If you drive a Rivian or some other electric vehicle, that's around 45,000 pounds. You never want to use a tow strap or a tie-down strap. You can tell what those are by the metal hooks on the ends. Those can be deadly projectiles if you use those, and they're not rated for tugging people out, giving them a hard yank, because they won't stretch and they might kill you. Before using your strap, check it for fraying. Make sure that the sewn ends on them don't have any kind of cuts, any kind of damage. That could fail and cause serious problems off-road. Make sure that your strap is connected to proper parts of your vehicle. That can be a recovery hitch or a front or rear bumper that has actual recovery points on it. Make sure to use proper connections when you tie your strap onto your vehicle. That can be a soft shackle, that can be a D-ring. Just make sure it's safe and rated for your vehicle's weight. Always make sure the strap is away from people, from logs, from rocks, and from animals. That could cause serious problems if the strap stretches and hits them. Never wrap the strap around a tow ball on a trailer hitch. That can become a deadly projectile and kill you or a loved one. And use common sense. All right, time for a user poll. We're gonna bust out the handy dandy remote. Do you guys prefer the strap on or strap off? Strap on, strap off. Strap on, strap off.
All right, don't wear it out.
All right, leave a comment below if you prefer the strap on or strap off. Check out this clip.
Sure.
Yeah, just go slow. Going through the mud. All right, put it neutral. All right, yeah, now go. All right, start backing up. All right, give it some juice.
We're stuck.
Help us. Someone pull us out.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get it. Oh, maybe not. Oh. Doesn't sound good.
Oh. Oh my.
All right, so we're in a little bit of a quandary. We hit our normal little path. Obviously there's mud out here and we're sinking quite a bit. So we're gonna try to use some logs and get out of this jam.
Yeah, they're pretty good, huh? How long you been here?
15 minutes.
Oh, well. Nice truck.
Thanks, man. It's pretty deep in the front right now.
Yeah, I see that.
Hey, if you don't get stuck, you're not trying, right?
That's right. I don't have no reef hitch.
I got a hitch.
What are you gonna attach it to on yours?
Well, I got shackle points right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you've got plenty of it.
Hasn't been out in a while.
Yeah, thank you. I'll give it back.
Thanks, man.
I'd have.
No well.
Oh, I believe it. That was pretty, it's pretty deep. The road less traveled, it's not always easy, but it is worth it. So remember, always go to the dirt.
Just don't go to the mud.
Don't go to the mud.
And don't swim in the mud either.
We're gonna go through this in two. Let's see what this Cooper's got.
Wide open.
Full send. Gosh, dang it.
Is it? Uh-oh.
You got a strap?
Roll your window down on
I got a strap.
I got one if you don't.
Yeah, right. All right, see you later. Those shoes are gone, man. Oh man. Oh gosh.
Go after the sandals if you want.
Yeah, don't lose your watch too. We like to mount our strap onto our custom orange box fabrication molly panel.
Now what?
Time to go save some Jeeps to the dirt.
Hold on, stop.
Oh, that was fun. You got me stuck, I got it out.
Here's some practice for you guys.
Oh, nice.
I appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
Thanks,
Go
brother.
into the dirt, not the mud. Mud sucks.